Hi everyone, I'm Agnieszka from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll cover how to change a publication layout after upload. This option is part of our Page Manager feature available on enterprise plans. When creating new publications, our platform automatically selects the display format based on the number of pages and their dimensions. We'll use Page Manager whenever we want to adjust it after upload. Now let's head to the editor. Navigate to Page Manager. Click on the tab Page Layout. This is where you can adjust the publication's layout from a single page to a booklet and vice versa. After making the desired changes, remember to click the Save and Finish button. Publitas offers mobile-specific display options that don't necessarily require you to change the layout of the entire publication. For more information about this and the Page Manager's other capabilities, relevant articles from our knowledge base are linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.